Hello, everybody out there in VW land. Gary here with the Volkswagen Harvest, along with Mad Martin, Tommy B. Smith, and the man behind the camera, the wonderful Matt Jackson. Ladies and gentlemen, we are so happy to bring to you and to introduce the 2019 VW Harvest Beetle. This is it, a 1965. Ladies and gentlemen, what we're going to be doing is we're going to bring this to you guys on October 20th. You can see right now that our friends at Wolfsburg West, what wonderful sponsors they are. Unbelievable what they're doing to help us with this. The guys at Jurfab, we're going to get a brand new 4-inch narrowed link beam. Oh my gosh, it's unbelievable what's happening here. Look at this interior real quick. See what this is, the before part, ladies and gentlemen, because when the after, you are going to love it. Ladies and gentlemen, it's even going to be running these, look, Porsche cut Fuchs. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Ladies and gentlemen, October 20th, Leander, Texas, VW Harvest, free show and swap. Somebody is driving home in this Beetle that day.